Good morning. I would like to share the number 6 ways of making money with Olilite. Number 6 is the global pool. Global pool, you will become a shareholder of the company. You're making money from the income of the company. Okay, how does it work? Okay, here. So, the company made, example, 500 million this year, 2025. That's only an example, all right? And then they will set aside 5% of that. So now that 5%, it doesn't matter how much is the total is. And then the company find those shareholder in their data or in their list. Let's say 100 people get qualified for that share, so they will divide it into that 5%, right? So how to get qualified? Okay, so if you have 14 people on the left, 14 people on the right, you get qualified. It doesn't matter you sponsor one, you sponsor two on the right. As long as you have 14 people left and right, you could make one share. You could have one share from that 5% that the company set aside for those shareholders. All right, 14 on the left, 14 on the right. Okay? Cheers, guys!